How about you, Doc? What's your trick? Can you tell me what I'm thinking right about now?
I'm afraid I can't read minds, Captain. But I can sense emotions. Anger, fear, love. I can project them as well. For instance, I can paralyze a man with fear.
So can a .45 automatic. Or a bunch of wind-up...
freaks?
Yeah.
My friends, you'll have to forgive the captain. He seems angry, but underneath I'm sensing something else. Fear.
You think I'm afraid of all this? Your little spook show you're running here?
Oh no, Captain. I'm sensing something else. A deeper fear. Very deep. Something you've been carrying around for some time, like a bad tooth. I can extract it if you like.
Let's just stick to business.
Very well.